Welcome to MS Craftshop. Can you believe how quickly time has passed? Summer has just begun and it's already the end of August. Before we know it, summer will be over and we'll welcome another season. However, before that happens, I hope you are enjoying the rest of the sunny days and that your vacation is going well. Today, I'm excited to introduce my new winter paper collection, Snowy Valley. The collection is available in three sizes: 12 by 12 inches, 8 by 8 inches and 6 by 6 inches. The sets are nearly identical. The most notable difference is found in the largest set, which includes a few sheets of backgrounds unavailable in other sets. Let's start the presentation with the largest one. This paper set includes 14 sheets of unique designs and 5 sheets of extras. The main characters of the collection are animals such as polar bears, deer, foxes, penguins, squirrels and birds. Despite their differences, these animals form a forest family and come together to celebrate the most magical time of the year, Christmas. Even though their home is in a snowy and cold valley, they love hanging out and enjoying each other's company. They invite you to celebrate Christmas together on 6 sheets. The remaining designs complement the whole and will work great as backgrounds, perfect for adding a special touch to your creative projects. The entire collection features calm gray, blue, pink, beige and white colors. The Snowy Valley collection is available in both paper and digital versions. You can purchase it on my Etsy online store. I have included the link in the video description. If you are interested in the paper version, please note that it will be available in single sheets rather than as a complete set. The last 4 sheets of extras to cut presented are available as a separate set, also in paper and digital versions. The middle size and smallest sets are slightly different from the largest one, and this applies a few sheets of backgrounds and extras to cut. These smaller sets include 14 sheets of designs and 2 sheets of extras. I hope you enjoy my new Snowy Valley collection as much as I do. I have many new ideas for the coming projects and I hope you will join me in creating together. For today, I say goodbye and see you soon.